Hello and welcome to Fix 64 Retro. Um, this is my new channel, just dealing with everything retro. All older computers and like Macs, Amigas, Commodore, Tandy, PCs, everything old. So what I got here today, oh yeah, and I'm Darren Hadley, by the way, is a Powerbook 145. I've never had older than a G3 Wall Street, actually, so this will be my first older computer. This was found on eBay, and I wanted to do an unboxing. And I need some content on my retro channel, so looks like it's packaged really nice. The joy of packing peanuts. I can just see a lot of you turning this off right now. Okay, there's that. Looks like we have probably the power adapter. But it was like, oh, that was extremely well packaged. So thank you to the seller. Let's see what we got. Huh? This thing was down there. Okay, yes, Macintosh Powerbook 145C. Wow. Pretty good condition. Looks like it's missing the back door. But a lot of these I'm sure don't have those anymore. Very cool. Okay. Here's the power adapter. I'll plug it in. Great. iOS 26 and iPad OS 26 are messing with the way I do these videos. That's not good. See, where do we plug in? Right there. Okay. So it'll be interesting. Let's hope it works. Oh, there's the power. Oh, chime. I can hear the hard drive. That's a good sign. Three hours later. Oh, looks like there is something on the screen. Oh, there's the screen. Weird, I saw something when I first got into it. Now I don't. Yeah, I guess it doesn't work. That sucks. Okay, and since this is Retro Unbox Day, let's do another one. A very old gross mouse. A power adapter. It's like a little plastic piece. An old Compaq Armada 7790DMT. Wow. There's something. Oh, I didn't. I knew the hinges were, not as good, but they're not working at all. I did not like that. Maybe that's something I can fix. Okay. Oh, that's short. Are you supposed to plug it in a foot from the wall? I don't know about eBay. On off switch there and power there. Oh, I need a longer cord. All right, I am back. I found a surge protector thing, so I was able to use this extremely small cord. I do have one on order through Amazon that's 10 feet or something like that. And we're going to see if this works. At least the hinges allow for you to see the screen a little bit. Oh, yes, 49,152 kilobits. Or kilobytes. This thing is old school. It's got an original Intel Pentium with MMX in it. Windows 98. This is fun. Wow, I forgot Windows used to start with music. Oh, yeah, these little nubby things like the ThinkPads and stuff. They're interesting. Let's go down to start. Setting. control panel. Oh, this is trippy. Let's see what the system says. Okay, 48 megabytes of RAM, Pentium processor. Floppy disk controller, Compaq IDE controller, and IDE hard drive. So yeah, I can put an SSD with a IDE adapter in it. Go a little quicker. Ooh. Sound card. Very fun. Wow. Oh, this is Windows 98 second edition. Good. I want that first edition. Oh, guess that's what it's got in it. So cool. Expect to see some fun stuff on this in the future too. I don't know, but yeah, this I haven't used Windows 98 for a very long time. Okay, let's shut down. Restart into MS-DOS. That's cool. Oh. All right. And now let's try that Powerbook again and see if we can get the screen working. Yay. I think I finally got it. Those settings are so finicky. I mean, you just barely touch them and... Yep. Awesome. Elvis Mac. System 7.1. Built-in memory, 4 megabytes. Total memory, 8. Very cool. Yay. I have a Powerbook 145. Nice. Well, I'll see what kind of stuff I can do to this. Maybe I can put in an SSD or something else. I don't know if they take blue SCSIs or what. So I'm going to check into it. And we may feature this on the Retro channel soon. Anyway, like and subscribe if you want to see more of this, and I'll catch you all in the next one.